Hi traders, Mike Hamilton for Trade the Easy Way, and this is the pound yen with the daily on the left and the 4-hour on the right. The mistake I made today and caused me a couple of stop outs is I mistook this 2 EMA for a potential area of support for this to launch up, and it didn't work. So we came right the way down to 9.55, and then we're still struggling with 160 here. And if you look at this daily on the left, this is now a sell signal. We've closed under the 8 and 20 EMA. We're potentially getting 8 and 20 EMA cross. So any pullbacks to 161 area could be good for a short. Okay, so tomorrow we've got UK manufacturing. So if we can hold 950 and close above 160.50, then maybe we can push up. But on the face of it, this is not looking good for the pound yen. So we need to start looking for shorts. My success for today, which only generated about 50 plus points, I shorted the Euro US just under the 110.50 mark. You can see it's just on the fib and the 200 EMA on the daily. Okay, with ECB rates on Thursday, I will just probably need to stand aside at this stage because we are just literally trapped between 950 and 110.50. I will continue to short the highs though, so if this, let's see, if that continues, if we come back up here and hit the 50, the 30, 40, 50 area and put in a sell signal, then I will look to short that. In fact, the open range today was the 40 mark, so that makes sense to see if we can get short there again. I will take that off and leave the range on my smaller time frame. Pound US, this is holding up better, although that is a sell signal. We were closed higher yesterday, closed lower today, under yesterday's range. So the path of least resistance is down. So any pullbacks into 200, 230 area are potential areas to get short to see if this 4-hour 250 can cross. Indices sitting on the 200 here, just perched on that 200, so very choppy day today. No, actually, well, I take that back. Once we got to 4 o'clock, we threw in a buy signal on the 5-minute chart, and that ran until so it ran for 3 hours, giving off about 100 and something points, 130 points, and then we just filtered right the way back into the close. So I take that back. That was actually, once you got past the first hour and a half, that was clean. Let's look at the DAX. Very similar picture. So we've had a 1, 2, 3, 4 wave to the upside. If this trend line can hold, we could get maybe a dip down a little further before we come and approach that trend line up there. So that dip into 95, 75 area and 95.80 would potentially give us a move back up to 10,000. Okay, I'll leave everything there and see you in the room tomorrow.